And they only came to one conclusion, which is CockroachDB is the only database that's able to handle the type of scale that they have.
Do you have any examples or customer case studies that you've kind of lived through? What was the journey like? How did they come about understanding that CockroachDB was the right fit? What was the driver or a regulation that probably drove that? And how does that all come together? Make it real for us.
Yeah, absolutely. So I could think of one customer, really large broker, a household name that I can't necessarily name at this moment, but they kind of went through this journey with us and actually started before us, let's be honest. They were coming off of the mainframe. They did what basically everybody did for the last 10 years, and they took the safe bet, and they said, I'm going to move over to Oracle, and I have 10x scale coming in terms of my 5-year roadmap, and I have a strategy to get on AWS, so let me start off with deploying an Oracle database on AWS. And they use Golden Gate to kind of get around the limitations around scale across multi-AZs and multi-region, and they got to about 70% workload, where everything came crashing down. It was already a brittle architecture, it was already a very expensive architecture, and once they kind of went through that pain, they realized, I don't think we're using the right tool for the job. So what they did is they went through the entire category of distributed SQL databases, and they only came to one conclusion, which is CockroachDB is the only database that's able to handle the type of scale that they have. And since then, they replaced all of that Oracle installation, and at this point, they're kind of going down the line of all the workloads on their mainframe as well, so tackling a lot of those legacy workloads.